Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Ford Escape. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Lift the tab right here and press down on the clip. Just set the cable aside. Then unhook the air filter housing to the hose clamp with a flathead screwdriver. And then unlatch the air filter housing right here and then the other side. Separate it and set it aside. Remove the air filter. Now to remove the bottom part of the air filter housing, you want to dislodge it right here. Just around, just lift this right here, engage this right here, and then grab and lift straight up back here and then on the front. And remove it off the vehicle. Next, remove the battery cover. Disconnect the negative cable right here at this terminal. Use a 30mm socket. And move the cable forward and set it aside. Now disconnect the positive battery cable right here with a 10mm. Now the next thing you want to do is remove this cable from the front of the battery housing cover. You can use the clip remover or needle nose or anything you can reach back here. Just reach behind there and just pull it out and just unhook the cable. Then grab the front of the housing cover. The easiest way I found out to do it is lift and pull each side out, and it will come right out. Then move it out of the way. Now the negative cable and this cable, just remove it and bring it forward. Next, remove the battery holder. You got a 10mm nut here and a 10mm nut there. Now bring the battery forward, just enough to reach back here. Make sure you don't stretch this cable, and disconnect the negative battery cable from here. And set it aside. Now grab the battery and remove it off the vehicle. Now it's your chance to clean the battery housing. And if you got corrosion on the battery cable, just clean it with battery terminal cleaner. Just follow the manufacturer instructions. Install the battery back in the vehicle. Now hold the battery right there while you install the negative battery cable. And tie it down. Once you tie down negative battery cable, slide the battery into the battery housing. Put the cables in the cable guide. Now install the battery hold down bracket with a 10mm nut on each side. Now that you got the battery hold down installed, install the battery housing front cover. You're going to install it down here. There's a tab that goes right into here, and there's two channels. So you want to bring it up. And then lock it in place. Now connect the positive battery cable. Reconnect the wire harness to the battery housing front cover. Next, connect the battery negative cable to the frame. If you see a little spark, that would be fine. Don't get scared. Just make sure there's no fumes on the engine compartment when you're connecting this cable. Then install the battery cover. Install the bottom part of the air filter housing. Make sure it goes on the steps right here. Here, over there, and over there. The steps. And then the other side. And you just push it down in its place. And then the strap, make sure you hook it right here on this side. Install the air filter. And then install the top part of the air filter housing. Make sure you hook it here, put on the hose, and then bring it down. And then put the two latch on it. Tighten the clamp. And plug in the mass airflow sensor. Put the locking tab in. And that's how you change the battery